Unfortunately, the fucking sirens is ringing for some darn reason. I think the Mexicans stole something. But listen closely as we hear the Reginald snoring. Do you hear it? It sounds like a baby.